So nagtitingin ako dito sa Major. Galing na ako kahapon dito at marami akong nabili sa section ng Hot Wheels. Marami rin ako nakuha. Uy, mayroong Porsche. Ito bago to. Hindi ko nakuha to. Oh. Last time nagpunta ako dito, pinakita ko to pero hindi ko kinuha. Pero ngayon kukunin ko to kasi wala pa ako nito. So this will be a good addition. So I was saying like yesterday, galing na ako dito, bumili ako ng katutak na Hot Wheels. Naka $41 nga ako kahapon, medyo magastos. Kasi nag-restock si kuya, ang daming magaganda. So nag-restock siya ng Hot Wheels. And ang dami ako nakuha like mga JDM, Civic, ganyan. So etong Lamborghini, bala ko rin sanang kunin to na Majorette. Ang ganda kasi tingnan, no? Matte black yan. Ganda yung gulong. Ganda rin, no? Open yung salamin sa likod. So iniwan ko to hapon, tinago ko dyan. Tinago ko dyan. So ngayon bumisita ulit ako. Kinuha ko na. So nag-iisip ako itong mga Bugatti Chiron Pure Sport, kung kukunin ko silang dalawa. Look at that. Ganda, no? So tinawag ako nung kaibigan ko na nakilala ko lang dito. Tanong siya kung may bagong stock. So yun, tingnan natin. Ayan, no? Pero Majorette yata to. Tingnan natin. Wow! Wow, really? You have connections?
You ask to pick up. The one I think
Oh, this one. Yeah. I'll get one maybe. Just one.
many nobody.
Which one is the chase one?
No taste lah.
Ooh, this one I can take too. This one, oh.
This one is the
Ganda, oh.
This is the high ace lah.
High ace. Maybe I'll take this one because I don't have this one too.
Also this one. They never put the stock lah. Because all the good one people take already.
Wow.
And this one is all the. This one is all what? This one is all the Nissan.
Nissan Fairlady. Yeah, Z. Is this legal?
Huh? This one is. I think they.
Do you look for chase ones?
Chase.
Yellow?
Chase is this one GTR actually. But you know what? You want this one GTR?
But it's not chase, it's common eh.
So you
The
have
color is
already,
common.
I think I have already.
Yeah, there's a lot there at the pegs.
Most important is the white color one lah.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. I just need one. How many did you take?
One enough already or one correction.
I see. Ayan, so nakakatuwa lang kasi si Calvin, yung kaninang taga rito, Singaporean, kakilala niya pala, essay, maybe kakilala sa itsura. Tinanong niya kung may mga stocks na sa loob, bago. So, hinahanap niya kasi to. So, Toyota Yaris na puti. Wala kasi sa peg. So, tinanong niya, yan, naglabas ng karton. So, nadamay na rin ako, tinawag niya ako, napakabait. Tapos itong bagong limited edition series ng Majorette, Series 11. So yung Mercedes-Benz tsaka yung Supra is one of the sought after cars or models castings ng Series 11 ng Majorette. So wala kang makikita sa pegs nito. So naglabas ulit ng karton. Nakakuha kami tig-isa. Yan, ng swerte. Talking about yung pagkakataon, no? So, ayan. Ito yung nakita ko. So, itong Lamborghini maganda rin. So, hindi ko alam kung kukunin ko sila lahat kasi medyo pricey nga. Like this itong mga ganito is $7. Ito, magkano ba? $7 din. So, kung kukumputin mo, how many $7 is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 49 plus 10. So, $59, almost $60. So in 2 days magagastos ako ng $100, which is parang hindi naman maganda. So anyway, siguro iiwan ko tong Bugatti at I'm not sure about this one kung gusto ko siya, half-hearted ako. But eto, kukunin ko tong high ace na van. Doon sa box wala masyado nito. So I think this one is very limited. Yan. So, yan. Napakaswerte natin ngayon, guys. Look at that. Okay, thank you, Calvin. Okay. So, kilala na rin ako nung auntie dito. So, tingnan natin next week if matanungan din natin sila ng bagong stocks. Okay? Okay, guys. See you on the next video. Bye.